Hey everybody, how's it going? Alan here, Gibson Garage YouTube channel, and today, well, it's still the same day for me, the 2011 Buick Enclave. We're gonna figure out how to do the cabin air filter. If you just watched my other videos, we just did spark plugs, which runs a lot better. No more check engine light. Of course, that could be because the battery was unplugged. But anyway, moving on to the cabin air filter. Now, there was an issue with this thing. They say you might have to cut into the door of the cabin air filter area and get not only a cabin air filter, but a replacement door. If you have the model that has to be cut into. But we're gonna find out. And AutoZone can't get it. They have part numbers. If you look up cabin air filter, the 2 part numbers will be there, but no availability, no ordering, no nothing. So I'm gonna put some soft jaws on this, give it just a 1/4 turn, and that's gonna slide right out. There are 2 of them, and then that swings right on down. Cabin air filter door right here. Let's take a closer look. Well, if my eyes don't deceive me, yeah. So, looks like I got off easy. There's these 4 clips, 2 on the top and 2 on the bottom. And just kind of hook, you know, so squeeze and pull one little corner at a time. Let's get it swapped out. So I think this might lift right on out. And looking at the debris, looks like airflow might be going this way. Let's see. No marking. Aha, yep, there's an arrow. So I was right, airflow is downward. Let's get rid of this nasty thing. Okay, right here. Well, you can see this side compared to that side. That's pretty gross. So airflow down. Just tuck her in there. Yeah, nice, nice. It's gonna slide right in. A little wiggle. Ooh, it seals up nice too. Oh yeah. Bam. Okay, so we gotta guide this arm back into place. Oh. There we go. Maybe. Yeah, no, that's supposed to be that way. There we go. There we go. So now we take in these. And notice I got the taper, so we're gonna, when we twist him, make sure we put this long side towards the front. Maybe. No, this doesn't want to go in. Well, it goes in that way. So twist it the correct way. This one will be opposite then. And you'll twist it just like righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, but only a 1/4 turn. There it is. And this is the part number here from AutoZone. And there are other qualities too. but it'll probably have the same 1897. CAF stands for cabin air filter. Well, sorry I don't have an answer for you guys that had the problem, or that might have a problem with having to cut the door open. I hope not. I was already thinking that if I had to cut it, I would cut it in a way that, you know, I'd just use some tape and seal it back up and send her to the dealership and say, hey, you know, ask her for one of those. If they don't have it, then I guess we're just gonna have to live with the tape. But I don't think I'm gonna have to edit this video. It's a short one. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified on all the other videos. And thanks for watching.